What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Miss Q with the Moultrie gang. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment button, bell button, and leave a little comment below. Any feedback you may have, any content you may want to see, whatever, talk to us. We're just taking a ride, actually going to the UPS store. So I got this I got my Motovlog set up right now, as you can see. Gang gang, Moultrie gang. But as far as the vlogging case I had initially, come to find out, is only for the GoPro 5, 6, and 7. I have a GoPro Hero 8, so that was not about to work. I was trying to put it in the case and was wondering why it did not fit. And long story short, reading is fundamental. I would have saw that it did not fit my GoPro 8. So getting ready to take that case back, but I have already ordered a new case off of Amazon. Fits perfect. Got the housing that includes the microphone adapter. If you look in our last video, you'll see that I did not have a microphone adapter at all, so I could not do any talking unless we were stopped or something like that. Other than that, you wouldn't hear me, just straight wind. But yeah, got that. Kind of had already ordered the other parts and pieces to kind of hook it up, but I'll leave the links to everything I did get off of Amazon to put my Motovlog set together. I am very pleased. And it's literally just stuck on with 3M tape, double-sided tape. So no drilling holes, no nothing. Just literally sticking on there. I will say using heat to apply did help a lot. I just used my regular hair blow dryer. It helped a lot. So yeah, nothing fancy, nothing expensive. The most expensive was probably the GoPro microphone adapter, because it's GoPro. Duh. That was like $42, I believe. But everything else, oh, and also the microphone setup that I do have, Purple Panda. Seen that a lot on other Ryker riders channels and things like that, and even just regular bikers. So they use Purple Panda, and that pretty much that was something like 30 in the 30s, $35 or $38, something like that. Money well spent as well. Everything else I got was probably around $15 or less. I think this case, housing case, was maybe $17.99, and I do have Amazon Prime. So but yeah, you know, we love our Amazon and things for the low. That's, you know, getting what we need without having to spend a lot of money. I'm all for it, all about it. I do want to thank like the many other YouTube subscribers we've been watching and we're subscribed to, because y'all help with a lot of questions and ideas, as well as the Facebook groups. Oh my god, like I think I'm in like 9 groups, 9 or 10, I don't even know anymore. But I am in so many Ryker Facebook groups, it's ridiculous. But when I see those notifications, I be excited to see like what y'all got going on, what, you know, pictures of your bikes, upgrades, mods, things like issues you come across, concerns, because at some point in time we may come across, you know, something that someone else is already going through, and it just helps a tremendous deal to be able to refer back, go in that search bar, look up things, and, you know, get a heads up on it, or just read things, and when it, you know, happens to us, we already know what it is, thanks to y'all. So shout out to those Facebook groups and whoever made those. Y'all are awesome. Haven't gone on any group rides yet, but we did join the Facebook group I think it's US Spider Riders. Yes, US Spider Riders. So they have like a big overall group, but if you look on their website, you can find your area. So of course we went to the South Carolina page and found a US Spider Riders Carolina group. I found them on Facebook, joined. The guy, Mr. Odell, very nice, generous, gave us a big warm welcome. He's also a veteran, like well, I'm currently serving, but he's a veteran. Gave us a nice shout out, huge warm welcome with our photo and our bikes and everything. It was just so awesome. So I cannot wait to meet that group of riders, and the president, I think that's what you would call him, the president himself, and get some rides in the summer, man. And I think I might get like after like 2 rides or something like that. I don't know, but they might give you like a patch. Bruh, if I get a patch, I'm going to get me a little leather vest, a women's brand now, a women kind, well, women, a woman vest, you know, y'all know what I mean. Sometimes my talking ain't all the way 100, so just bear with me. But yeah, give me a woman vest just so I can put my patch on there. I'll probably get like some kind of South Carolina patch. I'll definitely have to get me an Army patch and or an Army National Guard patch, because I am in the Army National Guard. I'll really be doing it up if they got a Army engineer patch. Or I would rock that. Hey. Another bike. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do my 3 wheels down, y'all. I had to hold a handlebar. Sorry, dude. Safety first, wave second. But oh my god, it's such a beautiful day. What was I talking about? Oh yeah. So yeah, I would get those patches, and if they got some kind of CanAm or Ryker patch, you know, with the Y or something like that, some cool stuff. Get my name on the back. I don't know, I might get my ride name. So far, I forgot to tell y'all the names of our bikes. So because hubby's bike is black and has the white accents, the name of his bike is Ghost. I really love it. I feel like he should have some kind of ghost like ghost picture or something wrapped on his front. I don't know, I think that would be pretty cool to, you know, finish off the bike or whatever. Yeah, his bike's name is Ghost. My bike name, because the color of the panels there we go again, since the color of the panels are acid yellow, when I hear acid I think of, you know, like something strong and vicious. So the name of my bike is Venom. I think it's a real cool name, real distinct, and I haven't heard of anybody else calling their bike Venom, so don't y'all even try it. Come on now, you gonna go past a yellow light, you got to speed up. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm making like he can hear me. Speaking of hearing me, now that y'all know the names of our bikes, we're going to be getting our Bluetooth communication systems soon. I'm hoping we'll do that maybe next week. That'll be pretty cool. And I'm hoping when I motovlog that y'all will be able to hear our conversation. That's if y'all want to. I'll probably be trying to motovlog and he'll probably be interrupting the hell out of me. Asking me questions and just talking to me, because y'all, I swear, when I'm home working and he's out working, we'll literally sit there sometimes, not all the time, because we got to get that money, but we'll sometimes sit there talking all day to each other, like, oh Lord, police. Hubby got me about blocking a turn. We still getting our riding etiquette together, y'all. We new to this, so I'm only scooting this close to him because it's kind of like a little turn lane right there. Look, he mad. Yeah, South Carolina drivers for you, but not my problem. I'm out the way. But yeah, gonna get our Bluetooth communication systems. So we got our helmets from Cycle Gear, Columbia, South Carolina, over on St. Andrews Road. Speaking of where we got our helmets from, our bikes. We got our bikes from Power Sports Columbia on Fernandina Road. We were we dealt with Colin, which he actually went to high school with my husband. They didn't graduate in the same class or anything, but they went to the same school, and he made sure he took care of us. Got everything we needed, made it a smooth process from the time that we came to test ride all the way up until the time it was time for the bikes to be delivered. So shout out to Colin. If you are in South Carolina, mainly especially the Columbia area, and you're looking for a good dealer, Power Sports Columbia will hook you up. Tell him Thomas sent you. He always kind of forget my name. But of course he knows my husband's name. My husband talked to everybody, and nobody gonna forget his name. Yeah, but can't wait to get those Bluetooth communication systems. If you have a Bluetooth communication system, especially if you communicate with somebody on your system, comment below what type you have, and maybe some pros and cons, because I'm still kind of deciding, but it's going to be between a Sena and a Cardo, of course. Those are the two top that I've been hearing about and everything. But yeah, comment below which ones y'all have, and we will look into them. We're definitely open to ideas. Hubby got us breaking laws and stuff. But yeah, comment below what communication systems y'all have, and let us know what's popping, what's not, why not, things like that. We'll be going to get some next week, so looking forward to that. We're going to get them probably from Cycle Gear, since we brought our helmets from there, because I'm sure they will install them for us as well. If they can do it, why not? Have fun. Yeah, looks like we're almost at the UPS store to take my old camera housing case back. That's another thing I like about Amazon. Sometimes with the returns, you can return them to a Kohl's or a UPS. It just depends what the sender allows you to do or whatever. So I opted to send it to UPS, and they will actually have my credit applied to my Amazon account within 2 to 4 hours of receiving it. So I was glad about that too. I don't have to wait for it to ship and then wait for my money. I guess I should be looking around for this UPS. I really don't know where it's at. But yeah, that's a good quick option as far as returns and everything. Oh, he found it. But yeah, can't wait to get the Bluetooth communication system. Oh wow, they got a crab leg place over there. Woo woo. And try that out. But yeah, old Chicago, that's our restaurant right there, y'all. We went on a couple of days there. Really good food. Good food. But yes sir. Yay, hey, hey. Oh, I did that wrong. Hey, hey, hey. I do the Fat Albert because he said hey 3 times and we got 3 wheels down to the floor. So, just one little thing. I don't know, I guess I'd be doing that 'cause I can't talk to hubby right now because we don't have the communication system, but trust me, when we do, I'm gonna get on his nerves. I'm just saying all kind of stuff. I love it, seeing all the bikers out today. These people don't want to let us be great. Like, stop, man, shoot. It's so aggy. Now that UPS store is a little it's like no parking over there, so we're gonna have to find a park that where we can put the bikes and just walk, cause they ain't got much space over there. Huh? Yeah. Yes, I've seen the crab legs, baby. Love crab legs. I love seafood. I just love food, period. Like, for real. Y'all, I'm a true fatty at heart. But I work out. But I think I work out so much because I like to eat, so I can keep eating. That's how you do it. You just work out so you can keep eating the stuff you love. Hubby, on the other hand, his is more so with sweets. He has a really, really bad sweet tooth. So me, I'm just all around foodie. Him, he loves his sweets. Oh wow, we pulled right up on it. They do have parking. Yes, good job, baby. You found that, because I would have been lost. Y'all, I am not good with directions, so most of the time y'all will probably see me following him. And sometimes he'll tell me to go ahead, maybe. This is probably the hardest part.
Hey, really?
What?
All over here about me?
I swear I'm gonna have to get together when it comes to parking these Rykers, because you cannot see with these helmets on, bruh, like at all. But I made it. All right, so I'm gonna go drop this package off, and we out.